Hi, welcome to my channel once again. First of all, thank you so much for spreading the word about my book, for your good wishes and your suggestions about my book promotion. With the book publication date coming very soon, I thought to share a few important things about the book availability. First of all, the book will be available both in hard copy as well as in soft copy. In India, the hard copy of the book will be available through Flipkart, Amazon.com, and Snapdeal. If somebody is staying outside India and want a hard copy of my book, I would request that person to please directly message me on my Facebook page and share your address so that I can share the book with you. And regarding the ebook, I will be sharing the link on the day of book publication. This was all about my book, that COVID episode. Hope you find the book to be interesting. The current situation, which is happening like all around, it's very difficult to keep a smile on our face, but we have to. We have to keep this inner strength, and we are all fighting. We are all supporting each other through the platform like Facebook and Instagram, where we can seek help and we can get help. We are blessed in that way, where we can connect with different people and get help in this time of need. So while there are three important things that repeatedly over and over again, all of us, we are trying to send this message across each other, that wear mask firstly. Secondly, do not step outside home until and unless it's absolutely necessary. And thirdly, take the vaccine because it's helpful actually. While taking all these precautions, there are certain things which I felt might be of importance as a plan B. While we are seeing the news that people are buying oxygen and storing them at home, even though they are fit, and just as a plan B, they are doing that. It's not right because that oxygen can actually help somebody who is in need. So instead of buying oxygen cylinder, I believe it's better if we keep an oximeter and a thermometer. These two are very important for us in this difficult time to keep our health in check, and also it's important to increase the immunity. While having said that, there are a few other things which we can do. For people like me who have kids, we can ensure our lives so that God forbid if anything happens to us, uh, our next generation life is secured, financially at least. Second thing what we can do is the mediclaim. So there are certain medical companies, medical insurance companies who are providing COVID specific COVID insurance. It's worth taking those insurance in these difficult times, where the situation is so uncertain. And apart from all this, eating like healthy food and working out, doing exercise, and also drinking lots of water. These are very important. So this is the message which I wanted to convey. Of course, a lot of people are giving their gyans and suggestions in all kinds of platform they could, but this is not to spread the message that okay, I have lots of knowledge, but this is just to make sure that people around us or people with whom we are connecting are safe, and they are keeping well and taking care of themselves. So it's out of concern that we are all doing this. I believe that you will take this message on a very positive note, and most importantly, eat well, stay well, wear masks, stay home, and help people in whatever ways you can.